Consider for a moment the view from a passenger window. The world below is covered in white. The sky above is a dark indigo. The flight is very smooth. You're flying at 35,000 feet, about 7 miles above the Earth. It is a number we hear on almost every flight, yet we rarely pause to ask why. Why is this specific altitude the standard for modern aviation? This altitude is a sweet spot in physics. It balances the air, the engine, and the wallet. Welcome back to Factopedia English. Let's uncover the science behind it.
Chapter 1. The Physics of Thin Air.
To understand this, we must look at the air itself. Near the ground, the atmosphere is thick and dense. For a large airliner, moving through thick air is like a person running in waist-deep water. It requires immense energy, burning fuel at an unsustainable rate. But as the plane climbs, the air thins out. At 35,000 feet, resistance falls sharply. This lets the aircraft glide through the sky easily. But a pilot cannot simply climb forever. If the plane flies too high, the air gets too thin for the wings. The jet engines need oxygen to burn fuel, so they start to struggle.
Chapter 2. Flying above the weather.
There is also the matter of comfort. Most weather, like rain, storms, and strong winds, happens in the troposphere. This is the lowest layer of our atmosphere. By climbing to 35,000 feet, commercial jets enter the lower stratosphere. They fly high above the weather. This helps them avoid the turbulence that smaller planes face below. A rainy, gray day can quickly turn to bright sunshine once you rise above the clouds.
Chapter 3. Altitude as a safety buffer.
Most importantly, altitude buys the pilot time. In the unlikely event that engines fail, a plane does not simply fall, it glides. For every mile of altitude, a jet can glide roughly 15 miles forward. From this height, a pilot can glide nearly 100 miles. They have about 30 minutes to solve the problem or find a safe landing spot. At a lower altitude, that safety margin simply wouldn't exist. Thanks for watching Factopedia English. See you soon with another interesting fact.